This next short video is a continuation of Calculus Lesson 1.5. It's on graphing the inverse parametrically. So let's say we're giving an original function, as you see here, f of x is equal to e to the x. First of all, if I wanted to graph this function, the original function, using parametric equations, one way I could do that would be set up right here, where I set x equal to t, because I'm just going to replace the independent variable with t. And then I'll set y equal to the original function, but with t as the independent variable instead of x. So in this case, e to the t power. Now, if I wanted to graph the inverse of that parametrically, remember the inverse is simply swapping the domain and range, swapping the input and the output. So you'll notice what I've done here. I've taken what had been the x equation and swapped it out and made it the y equation. So now instead of x equaling t, y is equal to t. And I switch out the y equation with the x equation. Instead of y equaling e to the t, x is equal to e to the t. Now, I punched both of those into the calculator like so, where x is equal to t, y is equal to e to the t. That's my first function, the original. You'll see it in blue. And then in red, the inverse, where x is now e to the t and y is t. I also graphed the line y equals x, the identity function, by typing in x equals t and y equals t. And it should look something like this. So here's the original, e to the x. Here would be its inverse, graphed parametrically, which is a little bit easier than finding the inverse itself and then having to graph it. So you'll notice, again, both of them are reflections across the line y equals x.